Hello and welcome to Luigi, a micro frontend framework open source project. In this video, you will learn how to install Luigi. In our example, we will use the Angular web framework, but you can also install Luigi on React, Vue, UI5, or without a framework. Open the terminal or command prompt on your computer. Go to the directory where you want to install Luigi. Then copy and paste the installer command for your framework from our Luigi documentation. Specify the name of the folder where your Luigi project will be installed. In Angular, you will also need to choose which type of style sheet you want to use in your project. Keep in mind that different frameworks have different requirements, such as this one. Wait for the command to run. Once installation is finished, a Hello World Luigi application will be opened in the browser. You can configure this application by going to the source/Luigi config folder, where you will find a Luigi configuration file. Make changes to this file to customize your application. In this video, you learned how to install Luigi. Make sure to watch the next video, where you will learn how to configure your Luigi application.